The first step is to ensure that the software will recognize the names you assign to your cut lines. To do this, click on File Manager and then Setup. Under Common Options, click on the Edit Cut Contour list. These are the cut lines that the software recognizes. Cut contour with an asterisk is listed by default. This means that any cut line in a design file that starts with cut contour will be recognized by the software. I also use Perf Cut Contour in my design files, so I need to make sure the software recognizes that cut line. To add a cut line, click on New and enter Perf Cut Contour. Then click OK. Then click OK, then Close, and then Quit to exit the file manager. The next step is to configure your cutter. Click on the cutter in the application bar to launch the Visual Cut module. Next, change the connection type to raw IP. Then enter the IP address of your Roland printer cutter in the host field. The status will change from connecting to ready once the software connects to the printer. Next, go to the Settings field. Here you will find the Sheet Off feature. When enabled, it performs a sheet cut when the job is done. Uncheck this field to disable the sheet cut. Next, go to Tools Settings. This is where you enter cut values for the cutter and assign the priority to the cut contour actions. To create a new tool, click the Create a Tool icon. I'm going to name this tool Cut Contour. This means any files that have a cut line embedded in it that begins with Cut Contour will use these settings to cut the contour line. Assign values to the speed, force, acceleration, and blade offset, then click OK. I'm going to create another tool for Perf Cut. Click the Create a Tool icon and name the tool. Then check the settings for the tool. Assign speed, force, acceleration, and blade offset. Then enable dash force and custom dash up, as well as custom dash down. Then click OK. Next, I'm going to change the priority of the cutting tools. You always want the kiss cut to be performed before the perf cut action in a file that has both cut lines. So I'm going to move the Cut Contour tool to the top of the list. Select the Cut Contour tool and click the up arrow button. Then select the Default tool and click the down arrow button. Your cutter is now configured and ready to receive a cut file.